Okay, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and I'm here with a customer today, and what we're showing you is this. This is an Armor Granite brushed electric, and what we're going to do a run first with the regular brushed electric with a nickel metal hydride battery, and then we're going to put this LiPo battery, and this LiPo battery is empty right now. And just look on the floor and see the difference how it's run. Let's go ahead and do it. You ready?
Ready.
Yeah, let's go. So all we're going to do, we're going to go over there to the road and come back. Go full throttle. Okay, and come back to us full throttle. And this is, do one more. This is kind of how it's running in with the brushed electric and nickel metal. Let's change the battery and see. So we're going to change it right now to this Electron Pro. This Electron Pro is not even charged. We just took it out of the box. So let's do it real quick. Now first thing, you shut off your car, you disconnect the plug whenever you do any kind of changing for the batteries, and make sure that everything you do will be kind of nice and clean. This car is very dirty. It's a customer fault. You're not cleaning your cars. Very important to strap your battery the right way, because you don't want, especially a LiPo battery, for the battery to get actually slammed and fly in and out of your car, because then they catch in fire and explode. So you're going to run it first, and run this one as well before, because as soon as you put it, it's going to get stuck. Okay.
Got it?
Okay, got it. Let's say the second one. Now, this is a little bit harder to put in because it's a square battery versus the round battery that just slide into the inside slot. And now we plug it in, and when you do that, you have to change. There is a small jumper here, and you have to change it between actually nickel metal and LiPo. We haven't changed it right now because this is just to shut off the car, so it's not going to cause any damage right now. So let's run it. Turn on your remote. It's on. Okay, and we'll do a different right now. Okay. And again, this battery is actually kind of empty right now. So when this battery is going to be completely full, it's going to be pretty fast. Okay, gun it again. And this is a little bit how you can upgrade your car for less money just by changing the battery. See you in my next video. Bye.